Alright, this is an easy way to throw together some crusty bread to go with tapas or with soup. It's really low maintenance, so don't be scared even if you've never made bread before. It's virtually foolproof and it only takes 2 hours start to finish. Alright, so start out with your flour. I've got 375 grams of sifted flour. I'm using dry active yeast. If you're in Spain, it looks like this. You just add 1 1/4 teaspoons directly to the flour, along with 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt and 300 ml of lukewarm water. Then just mix everything together so that all the flour is hydrated and cover with cling film or a clean tea towel. Just leave it alone for 90 minutes total. I need to turn my oven on usually 20 minutes before I want to bake, and preheat the oven to 240 degrees Celsius. When the time is up, the dough has roughly doubled in size and you should see large bubbles like this. So you just want to turn the dough out really gently without knocking too much of the air. So put some flour on a board and then turn the dough out. Separate it into 3 portions and roll each one lightly in flour so that the dough isn't too sticky. Then place on baking paper on a baking tray or a baguette tray like I've got here. Have some ice cubes handy, then throw 1 or 2 in the bottom of the oven and then put your bread in and shut the door quickly. This just creates steam and makes the outside of the bread crusty. Halfway through the cooking time, throw in another 1 or 2 cubes. Alright, you're going to leave it to cook for 25 to 30 minutes until the outside is brown and there's a hollow sound when you tap it on the bottom. That's all there is to it. If you want some tapas ideas, check out recipes on my channel, Spanish Taster, and let me know in the comments which other Spanish recipes you'd like. See you next time.